Hey guys, wow, it's half different, right? Okay, look at this. We can get hello guys, back again with more EDN comparison of toys with a price of 700,000 units. Yeah, this is 700,000 of unit, and then and price of 20, yes, 20 to 25,000 to 35,000 rupiah. How big difference is in some quality and then quantity. Yeah, look at this. Okay, now let's see from some of the following toys, which are toys, right? For me personality, wow, with a price of 700,000 rupiah. Yes, this is wow. Bruh. And then with a price of 35,000 rupiah per 6 unit. Okay, or 7 or 8 unit, right? This is quality and quantity different. Oke guys, kali ini kita akan coba ini dia. Ini dari yang pertama, dari yang murah dulu ya. Dari yang murah dulu, kalian bisa bedain. Ini dia mainan yang murah ya, mainan murah seperti ini. Nah, ini kalau diketok seperti ini guys, ini murah buktinya, yang artinya ini tipis bahannya, kalian bisa lihat tipis sekali, tipis banget ya. Ya, ini 35.000 kalau nggak salah tuh, dapat 6 unit. Cuma gue lupa unitnya di mana. And then, dan ini ya, ini dia yang 35.000 harganya segini. Ini bisa maju mundur. Kalian bisa nanti kita compare dengan harga yang mahal di sana. Oke, nah ini seperti ini. Ini pun tipis ya guys ya. Kita lihat secara keseluruhannya, kalian bisa bandingin ya dengan harga yang mahal. Ya ini dia. Perbandingannya amat sangat jauh dan jauh. Ya seperti ini. Dan bahannya pun walaupun karet, tapi nggak tahu ini karet benar atau enggak. Jelas nih tipis banget. Dan ini juga nih guys, ini mobil apa ya? Oh, mobil pemadam kebakaran yang bawa air guys. Jadi seperti itu ya guys. Nah ini pun tipis banget nih. Perbedaannya jauh banget. Ini tipis. Kita lihat tipis lagi. Ya seperti ini ya, kalian bisa lihat. Oh mas, sangat tipis guys. Dan berikutnya ini beko, truk beko ya seperti ini. Bahannya juga ya, bahannya kalian bisa lihat tipis ini ya guys. Ini rusak nih, mungkin karena kemarin kena air kali. Dia kayak nggak menggigit gitu. Nah ini dia. Terus selanjutnya ini mobil pemadam kebakaran. Ya tipis juga guys, kalian bisa lihat. Aduh, makanya ini kalau misalkan kebanting agak rawan, apalagi nih ada tangganya nih. Tuh ya. Oke, ini juga. Seperti ini, cuma ini nggak bisa ya, yang nggak bisa jalan sendiri. Ini mesti dorong ataupun manual. Ini tangganya juga ya dikatakan kuat, nggak kuat sih, cuma dari ininya bahannya kayak kurang kokoh aja gitu loh. Oke, kita taruh sini dulu guys. Nah jadi ini pun sama, apa namanya, perbedaan mainan yang murah. Ini juga kategori murah juga nih. Ini mobil polisi 4 ini kalau nggak salah waktu itu 35 maybe or 40 maybe. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, this is the policy car. The policy car is 40 wait. Yes, ini 40 100 ya guys. No. Maybe I'm sorry. Maybe range if it 3500. Okay, this is the police car toys. 1, 2, 3, and then four cars. The little car, the police car toys, and then what is this? Truck the police car toys maybe. Yeah, okay. Truck the police car toys. Take all the police car toys. Range maybe 3500. This is This is okay. This is okay. This is range price. Okay. Image. Oh my god. But and then maybe this is toys is too thin and various to be slim. Yes. For the policy card toys. Okay, this is toys, the policy card toys. Okay. Maybe to need is various to be slim. Okay. And then okay, and then okay, and then this is Thomas and Friend, right? Thomas and Friend train with a price of approximately 35,000 rupiah. Okay, this is Thomas and Friend, and then in the rail, yeah, this is rail. Alright, I wanna to playing the this is guys, I'm sorry. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. sorry. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. This is 3,500 rupiahs. Thomas and Friend, right? Yep. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys, and then finally we go to toys. Okay, guys, now we will review expensive and nice toys, and their thickness is good. Okay, guys, and this is the motorcycle, the police motorcycle toys. Okay. Wow, it's different. It's different. We like it's different, right? Okay. It's different, right? Different. Wow, it's amazing. Okay. Okay, this is okay, this is Beko. Wow. Okay, guys, these toys have very different thicknesses. Okay. Okay. Thick. Alright, thick. Okay, here it is down. And then I'm sorry, install, and also this is toys has bolt or not that can be disassembly. Look at this, right? Look at this, in this, look at this, look at this. Okay, we get and then we get to this is okay guys, and we get screwdriver. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Yeah. If we can, okay guys, we can differentiate expensive and cheap toys, right? Okay. Okay guys, wow. It's half different, right? Okay, look at this.
Bruh.
We can get a screwdriver. Oh, sorry.
Bruh.
Yes, yeps. This is a screwdriver for it. For it. All right. Okay. Look at this. All right. Look at this. All right.
Bruh.
Okay. And then the motorcycle. Look at this. Wow, the police motorcycle. And then this is one. Okay. There are screws.
Bruh.
Okay, and then this is okay. Wow. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and then don't forget for like, comment, and share, and then subscribe. Thank you guys. Hanya ada di Moonwalker Iden guys, Moonwalker Iden. Thank you, bye bye.